This is using quadratic equations to solve problems. So it says a 30 by 30 picture. So let's pretend the picture looks a little bit like this. That's 30, that's 30. It's surrounded by a frame of width x, such that the total area of the frame picture is twice the area of the unframed picture. Find the width of the frame to the nearest tenth of a millimeter. Goodness. So that's 30. And then that wee distance there is going to be x, as it is in with all those. The area of the picture is 900, because that's 30 times 30. So the area of the whole thing must be 1800. We could do it that way, or we could try and work it out and subtract it. But either way, this distance here, I hope you can see, is x plus 30 plus x. So that is 2x plus 30. 2x plus 30 upon 2x plus 30. So that's that length, and that must equal 1800. Multiplying this out, 4x squared, outer is 60x, inner is 60x, so it's plus 120x plus 900 equals 1800. That gives me 4x squared plus 120x minus 900, taking away 1800 from both sides, equals 0. I'm going to divide through everything by 4. It just makes the number slightly easier. X squared plus 30x minus 225 equals 0. I don't think it's going to factorize, and the reason I don't think it's going to factorize because it says give it the tenth of a millimeter. So it would suggest to me that it's not actually going to factorize. So let's put these numbers into the formula and see what we end up with. Our A is a 1, our B is a 30, and our C is a minus 225. So x equals minus 30 plus or minus the square root of b squared, which is 900, then minus 4ac, so 4ac, so it's minus 900, all over 2. So x equals minus 30 plus or minus the square root of 1800 all over 2. That would split then up into its two options. We're only going to need the positive option, otherwise you're going to get a negative number. X can't be a negative number, that doesn't make any sense. So we're going to go for x is minus 30 plus the square root of 1800 divided by 2. So I'm going to do the square root of 1800. I'm not very good with calculators. No, I don't want that. Give me a minute. 18. Right, let's try this again. Square root of 1800. We'll go with 1800, and we're going to take away 30. And then we're going to divide by 2. And the answer then is 6.21. That's in centimeters, so you want a tenth of a millimeters. So it's 62.1.